It's a big day today. We have a new neighbour, and we're all very excited. Well, Jane and I certainly are.
You ready? It's 7:15.
What time does the film start?
7:30.
Okay.
He's nice.
He's very nice.
But not good looking.
He is good looking.
It's nearly 7:10. Who's that?
New neighbour.
That's a nice car.
I bet it's fast.
That thing, nah, it's slow.
It's very expensive.
It's cheap.
Is it? Oh, yeah. And it's horrible.
Let's say hello.
Now?
Yes.
Hello,
Hi,
I'm Helen.
I'm Simon.
And I'm Jane.
Hi, Jane.
Come in and meet the others.
Okay.